Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make stacked sweatpants. So, this set that I got was from Walmart. I got it at the men's department. And since we're stuck in quarantine, I had to order this off of Walmart's website. I got free shipping because I ordered something else. I'll post the link of where I got it below in the description box. Anyways, so yeah, I got this. It's like a Fruit of the Loom set. The important part of making these stacked sweatpants is the sleeves that you use. You want to make sure that they're the same color and material as the pants. So right here you can see me cutting the sleeve. Alright, so here are the pants. This was my first time. I'm not a seamstress. The only time I use the sewing machine is to make my wigs. I will also link my Instagram in the description box below so you guys can book a wig class, maybe purchase a wig or bundles. Anyways, so you can see right here, I stuck my hand through the sleeve of the sleeve, if that makes sense. And then I'm grabbing the bottom of the pants and flipping the arm sleeve over. You want to make sure that you are lining up the bottom of the pants and the wrist part of the sleeve. This was my first time doing it. Maybe next time when I do it, I'll probably cut the fitted part of the sleeve out as well as the wrist part. It just makes it so much easier when you're sewing and lining everything up. Okay, so I actually almost forgot. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but the main seam of the sleeve, match it up to the inseam of the pants. So you see like by the crotch area, it's like a seam that goes all the way down. Make sure you line up the sleeve, the arm sleeve with that seam because it makes it more seamless when you actually wear it. Mine are fine because it's stacked, you can barely see it, but if you're a perfectionist like I am, just try to line up the seams, it'll make everything easier. So you see I'm just lining everything up, making sure that the ends of the pants match the ends of the sleeve. You'll see me do it for the other side just in case you want another view of it. Okay, so right here you can actually see when I adjusted the seam. I'm showing you guys that I adjusted the seam because it was in the middle of the pants and I just rolled it over to the side. I don't know why I didn't go back and do the first one. Maybe I wasn't thinking about it, but anyways. Okay, so here you can see me sliding the pants on my sewing machine. I have the brother, I don't remember the name, I'll also link it below, And I can take off the bottom part by where my needle is, and it makes it convenient if you have like sleeves and like ends of pants. So I basically like slid the pants onto the little pedestal, and right here you can see me changing the setting on my sewing machine to a straight stitch. I had a zigzag stitch because that's what I used to sew wigs. And right here you can just see me making a seam. You can see my bonnet and my nappy edges. It's fine, I didn't have my wig on, don't worry about it. But yeah, so you can see me basically just sewing in a straight line. It's really simple. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can do it by hand. You're literally just sewing a straight line. It's very self-explanatory. It took me about a couple seconds to do it, really. Yeah, just keep watching. Before you start sewing, make sure that you line the bottom of the pants and the end of the sleeve up together. You can see me doing that right now because I felt like it was a little bunched up. If you don't, it'll distort the whole little stacked look thing. So you just want to make sure you line it up. You can put pins in it if you would like, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So here you can just see me cutting off the excess fabric. You want to cut behind the line that you sewed. Do not cut in front of the line that you sewed because it's going to undo all of your work. So I'm just cutting off the excess because it makes it easier to put the pants on when you don't have all this excess fabric on it. So yeah, just cut off the excess and you'll see me doing the other side if you want a better view. So as I mentioned before, I got these pants out of the men's section. I'm definitely not a man, so they fit kind of weird. So I went to take them in. So right here you can I'm showing you how I take the pants in. So basically what I did was I eyed it basically of where I wanted to start my new inseam. So I started at the little crotch area, as you can see, and I just sewed a straight line all the way down the line of the pants. Even when it got to the stack part, I took it in a little bit to give it more of a fitted look. So I think I took about 2 inches off because they were really big and I'm very skinny. So yeah, as you can see, it's really simple. It's the same concept of sewing the stacked part. I'm just guiding the pants down and sewing a straight line and creating a new seam. You want to make sure you're doing this while the pants are inside out. That's the key. The pants have to be inside out so that when you put them the right way, you won't see the stitch line. It will just look like a basic inseam. So here's the finished look after I took them in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos.